explaining how to connect eShare to your mobile device and how to use it. First, install the eShare app on your mobile device and ensure that both the IWB and the mobile device are connected to the same network. Then open the app and select the IWB you want to connect to. When connecting for the first time, you can either scan the QR code or enter the IP address. Once connected, you can use your mobile device as a remote control, in addition to utilizing the share screen and TV mirror functions. First, the share screen function projects the screen of your mobile device onto the large IWB screen. Both vertical and horizontal displays are supported. You can also adjust the volume of the projected video. Next is the TV mirror function. This allows you to control the IWB with your phone. You can write on the whiteboard or in the browser using the annotation function. The number of TV mirror connections depends on the strength of the network. To project photos stored on your mobile device, you can also use the camera function to display images directly onto the IWB. Additionally, your mobile device can serve as a remote controller for the IWB. You can operate the IWB like a mouse and remotely open installed applications. The volume can also be adjusted from your device.